Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the online lecture of Sharad More English High School. Okay, in last lecture, we have completed first and second question of practice set 48. Now, let's continue from the third question. What is given here in the question number 3? In the right angle triangle element, measurement of angle M is given as 90 degree. Means there is a triangle element where measurement of angle M is 90 degree. LM is given as 12 centimeter. आपको LM साइड का मेजरमेंट कितना है 12 सेंटीमीटर गिवन है. लेंथ ऑफ LN is 20 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ सेगमेंट MN. आपको फाइंड क्या करना है लेंथ ऑफ द सेगमेंट M. So now first of all we will draw the diagram according to given information. Okay. There is a triangle LMN. Okay, measurement of angle M is 90 degree. It's given that side LM is 12 centimeter, 20 is side MN is 20 centimeter. Okay, now what you have to find, you have to find the measurement of side LN, means length of LN we are supposed to find. Okay, so now look here, you can see this is the right angle triangle, so Pythagoras theorem is applicable here, right? So हम लोग Pythagoras theorem apply करेंगे. So in triangle LMN by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in triangle LMN by Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Here we will write hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Okay, now hypotenuse is ln, right? The side opposite to 90 degrees is always hypotenuse, so we will write here ln square is equals to base means mn, right? So mn square plus lm square. Okay, ln square is equals to mn की वैल्यू कितनी है 20, so 20 square plus lm की वैल्यू कितनी है 12, so 20 square plus 12 square. Now square of 20 is 400 and square of 12 is 144, so 400 plus 144 will give you 4 plus 1 5 544, right? So ln will be equals to square root of 544. Means now what you have to do, you have to find out the square root of 544. Okay, now how you will find out the square root? Look, first of all we'll do the factorization. 544, right? So now it can be cancelled by the table of 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, right? Next 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 136 again. Now 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, and 2 8s are 16, right? So here you got it as 68. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now again it can be cancelled by the table of 2, right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, and then 17 is a prime number, right? Here you got 17, 17 is a prime number, so it can be cancelled by the table of 17 only. So 17 1s are 17. Now write down all the numbers that you got here in the factorization. अब factorization में आपको जितने भी numbers मिले आप यहाँ पे write down करोगे, right? रूट में 2 कितने टाइम्स मिला है आपको 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and then 1 times 7. Okay, So now look, 1 2 3 4. So you will take it out of the root, right? So it will become 2 into 2 and bracket में 2 and 7 as it is रहेगा, means जिसकी pairing है आप उसको one time लिखोगे out of the root, right? So it will give you 4 root 7 to the 14, right? 7 to the 14. So your final answer is 4 root 14. Therefore ln is equals to 4 root 14. Okay, that's your final answer. ln का measurement क्या मिला आपको? 4 root 14. Okay, so you have completed question number 3. Next, after this, next question is fourth one. So now let's see what is given in the fourth question. Fourth question, the top of a ladder of length 15 meter, means there is a ladder. Okay, अब आपने ladder देखे होंगे, right? It looks somewhat like this, है ना? ऐसे ladders होती है. So now suppose it's representing a ladder. This line represents a ladder. आपको given है कि जो top है, top of the ladder means ladder यहाँ से start हो रही है, यहाँ पे end हो रही है, तो उसका top है, it reaches, जिसकी लेंथ गिवन है आपको, लैडर की लेंथ कितनी है 15 मीटर. इट रीचेज अ विंडो 9 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड, मीन्स एक विंडो है जो 9 मीटर की हाइट पे ग्राउंड से, ये ग्राउंड सरफेस है, ठीक है, यहाँ ये ग्राउंड सरफेस है, कितने मीटर की हाइट पे है, 9 मीटर की हाइट पे जो विंडो है वहां पे वो लैडर रीच कर रही है. सो व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द बेस ऑफ द वॉल एंड दैट ऑफ द लैडर, मीन्स जो बेस है वॉल का दिस वन और जो लैडर का बेस है, राइट, ये इसका आपका डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है. सो नाउ यू कैन क्लियरली सी हियर इट्स मेकिंग ए राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, जिसमें से आपको हाइपोटेनियस और हाइट पता है, आपको बेस फाइंड करना है. सिंपल है, आप क्या करोगे, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करोगे एंड यू विल फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द वॉल, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द बेस ऑफ द वॉल एंड लैडर. ओके, सो नाउ okay, now let AB represents, first we will draw the diagram according to given condition. Okay, let AB represents the ladder. Okay, now ladder का measurement आपको given है 15 meter, right? So now it's ladder, AB is representing ladder, right, and AC is right here. AC represents wall, right? वो wall जिसके top पे वो क्या कर रही है, ladder reach हो रही है, okay, top of the window पे. Okay, now so in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem. So A B square, right? The side opposite to 90 degrees is always hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equals to base. Base क्या है हम लोग का BC. BC square plus AC square. Now we will substitute the values. AB की value क्या है? That is 15. So 15 square. BC की value आपको find करना है, right? Keep it as it is. AC की value कितनी रहेगी? AC is wall. तो wall का आपको given है 9 meter, right? Now 15 square of 15 is 225. BC square, keep it as it is, plus AC square means 9 square. 9 square is 81. So now you will get BC square is equals to 225 minus 81. Means आपको क्या करना है, 225 में से 81 subtract करना है. So 225 minus 81, 5 minus 1 4, and then 22 minus 8. So you will get here 16. 22 minus 8, right? 8 minus करना है ना आपको 22 में से. So you will get here 144. So now BC square मिली आपकी वैल्यू मिली आपको 144, बट आपको BC की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है तो स्क्वायर यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा एंड विल बिकम स्क्वायर रूट. right? So square root of 144 is 12. Therefore, you will write the final answer. Therefore, distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder is 12 meter, right? Your final answer. Therefore, distance between base of the wall and that of the ladder is 12 meter. कितना मिला हम लोगों को? 12 meter. Got it? So we have completed this practice set. Okay.